Adventure Overland here, and today we have another review video for you guys. MICTUNING was generous enough to send us a set of their rock lights for us to test for all of you guys and to give you an honest review. So I'm not going to bore you guys with an unboxing video and an installation. There's plenty of those on YouTube. I'm just going to show you guys how easy they are to hook up, how I mounted them to our rig, and my personal opinion after using them now for a couple months. So the kit comes with everything that you guys will need to install these lights. So the luxury Y1 package came with your positive and negative wire to hook to your battery, a fuse, the on-off switch, the control panel, 10 LED lights, 10 sticky pads, some nuts and bolts to screw them to your inner fenders, and what they call extension cords. Now we were lucky that we didn't have to use everything in our kit. So we have an aux beam control switch panel already mounted in our truck. So we have the fuse, it's already mounted with your positive and your negative wire, and I have a switch inside the truck to control my lights. Now if you don't have a switch and control panel all hooked up in your truck, everything is already wired and ready to go. Your positive would go on your positive, your negative onto your negative. The fuse is already hooked in. Run the wire through your firewall. This is the switch. And this would go into the control panel for the system. Now you can control the lights through an app, so you need Bluetooth to be able to control them. That's what this panel is for. So I ran that into the control panel so I can change the colors on my lights, which I'll show you guys later. And then it's got easy clips, and this is the main wire that's going to all of my lights. So most rock lights are installed in your wheel well here, and the way that they tell you to do it be to drill through your inner fender and then mount the light and use the little nuts and bolts it came with to screw to the plastic fender. But the rear of my truck is metal, and I didn't feel comfortable putting screws into the inside of my fenders. So what I ended up doing is mounting them to the undercarriage of the truck so I get a glow underneath. So originally our Denali came with running boards, but eventually I am going to want to lift the truck, so I might put the running boards back on. So I kept all the mounts that the running boards would be attached to and then just bent them up out of the way. But these worked really well for a place to mount the lights. As you can see, I just used a really good zip tie, one on the front and one on the back, because it is October and I live in British Columbia, Canada, and we're going to be getting a lot of snow here soon. So I'll probably remove these before the snow comes, just so they don't get damaged in the winter time. These lights are super easy to connect to each other too. Just a quick push clip and you can connect these in series, one after another after another. So the MICTUNING app is super easy to use, and you can download it for iPhone or Android. Once the Bluetooth is connected, you can turn on or off your light system. Once in the app, you can select the music mode and your lights will react to the beats of your music. In the mode section, you can either have your lights run constantly or custom mode with different colors and different flickers, slow, fast. You can individually change every single light to be a different color. In constant mode, you could run just blue lights, purple, red, green, and anything in between. You can control how fast they flicker or how bright your lights are. So after 2 months of running the MICTUNING rock lights, I'm pretty impressed. They're super bright, there's tons of colors to choose from, they were super easy to install, the app works extremely well and is quick to connect. I've had them encaked in mud and water and they still work with no issues. MICTUNING makes rock lights, wheel lights, and control panels. So if you guys are in the market for maybe wanting to dress up your boat, car, truck, side by side, or four-wheeler, and give MICTUNING a chance. you'll be happy that you did. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.